All right, we are so excited to have our 75th anniversary season. Starting off with opening night, an all-American program, Gershwin, Copland, Bernstein, and a young composer who is from the Pioneer Valley. We continue on with some great new guest artists who've never been to town before, some of our old favorites from times past. We have a wonderful combination of some of the absolute most beloved pillars of the repertoire, along with some new pieces which have never been played by the orchestra before. We're going to be having a big massed choral event again next year, just like we had this past season with Verdi Requiem. Next year it'll be the Mahler Resurrection Symphony. It's going to be an exciting 75th anniversary of the Springfield Symphony season. On our Pops Roundup, I'm going to be doing 2 Pops concerts next year. One a Broadway evening that I'm going to be hosting and having a whole sort of group of Broadway singers up from New York, taking us through all of the classic hits of Broadway, including Phantom of the Opera, Oklahoma, Carousel, you name it, it's all going to be there. And on that program, I'm also going to play and conduct Rhapsody in Blue by Gershwin, something I haven't done in a long time. People have been asked for it again. Well, the 75th anniversary season is the time to bring it back. And then we're going to have a big epic movie night with epic movie scores all the way through the years, going all the way back to Casablanca, through 2001, through Ben-Hur, through the 10 Commandments, the good, the bad, and the ugly, The Sting. I'm going to be at the piano again for some Scott Joplin, and maybe some of the more recent hits as well. So it's going to be a fun time and exciting season at the Springfield Symphony.